Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download TinyTask for your Windows. You need to open any browser and here search TinyTask, press enter, and here you can see the first link, TinyTask. Click on it, and here you can see on the right side you see download option, and you don't need to go micro or standard. Just click on the download, and here choose the path where you want to download it. For example, I want to download it in the Windows, in the download, sorry. Then here you can see the TinyTask APK from the download option, or hence you can even go your computer and here find where you have downloaded it. For example, I downloaded in my downloads, then click on it, and there you go. TinyTask is updated. You don't need to have it as a setup and then extract a setup. You just simply have it as is, and then open save recording, whatever you need to do here. You just can, and this is all working. And yes, this was all about the short video. If you find it useful, hit a like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Have a nice day.